cleaning your patios and driveways, what is the best solution for them? And when I say solution, I don't mean how do we fix their problems, Pierre, okay?
Okay.
We mean what best cleaning solution can we
Oh,
get
I
for
see.
them? Yeah, sorry.
Although we do bring them solutions as well.
We do bring you solutions, but in this situation, I was just wondering, because I know the guy, we did about the stains and what's the best for your stains.
Yes.
And I thought, you know what, I don't think I've actually told them what would be...
Just a general cleaner.
A general cleaner, what would be a good cleaner for them. So.
Well, that's quite straightforward.
Yeah.
I might have a solution and a solution.
Yay! Perfect. So... there are a lot of options for patio cleaning and driveway cleaning. I thought maybe we could let them know what we would advise them to use.
Yes, sure. So if it comes to cleaning the patio, of course let's imagine the scenario, Tracy, that the person watching this had the patio cleaned professionally last year and enjoyed it through the summer, because that's really good. Get your patio clean earlier, middle spring, late spring, and then enjoy it through the summer. And then you will come to the middle summer next year, and you look at the patio and you think, I can start to see a bit of dirt on there.
Do with a little bit of a cleaning.
Yes, it can do. Let's go there first, right? Because it's important people realise when they get patio professionally cleaned and sealed, which I would advise within reason. It's important to understand people's needs and so on.
Yeah.
Naturally, I would say lean towards the sealer, even though it's very important people need to realise, just like cleaning your car.
It's not a miracle.
And it doesn't stay clean.
Yeah,
you know what? It's just like that. I take my car to the car wash, and a week later,
it's dirty.
It's dirty.
I mean, why?
And then I can't go back to the car wash and go, what have you done? My car's dirty.
No.
So this will happen on your patio, and the way to realise why this is so, how can this happen? You know, why is it green? Is if you drive down the road, and you go by these road signs, you would see many of them. That's filthy.
Yeah.
And you know, the thing is, the road sign stands up like that. The water runs right down the side.
Yeah. Whereas your patio
your patio's flat. The rain lays down.
Yeah.
The seeds and the dirt gathers there.
Yeah.
So if your sign is up and you stop at the sign, right, of course, be safe. Don't walk in front of the traffic. And you walk over to the sign and you feel the sign, if it's clean, you'll feel it's really smooth. It's actually got a coat of paint there. But still, the green stuff grows on this sign. So the same thing happens with your patio and more, because what your patio is this way, horizontal,
and it's just laying
where this is vertical, so the water runs off the sign, but you'll see some road signs looking awfully dirty. So this is why, just like your car, your patio will need a bit of a clean. So what we would advise is get a professional, clean your patio. Next year, you might want to do something yourself. And of course, this is where we are now. Somebody wants to do something themselves. So the first thing you can do is use a hose with a good flow of water and just get that stuff washed off. Like in our previous videos, we talked about that there's a little dip and some dirt collect there, and some seeds sprout from there. That's where the weeds come from.
Yeah.
Or some dirt collect, and a good flow of water and a broom, stiff broom, give the brush down, wash it down that way.
Yeah.
Now, of course, there comes a point where maybe in year 2 after your professional clean, you do that, it's not so effective. What do you do now? And then you might lean towards going, you know what, I've got that little pressure washer in my
the one that I've had in my garage for ages, and I haven't used it
now.
Yeah.
Of course, we have done a video about that too.
We did, yes.
If you do your own patio cleaning, and what I would advise there is watch that video as well. But we talk about the spinner, that flow of water and all that in your pressure washer. So watch out for the pressure washer that's got a jet, because you're just going to leave lines everywhere. So you either want a V-jet or you want a spinning one that you can just use to gently wash that off. With a DIY type machine, but something that's substantial. And then you want to combine that, and this is your question, what would you use with the cleaner? Naturally, I would say the revert to a cleaner in a case where you think, it's a bit dirty, but I don't get the results I really want. So either your hose with a broom, and you think, well, let's see if I can do a little bit more, or your pressure washer, and you're like, I want a little bit more. So you can then look to our friends over at Smart Seal. I have it here somewhere. So Smart Seal do a nice driveway cleaner, and they do various other cleaning products as well. People can go and get from theirs. We talked about their products in the stain removal video as well. So driveway cleaner, this is of course for driveways, and you can use this dilution rates on the back, and you can combine this by a bit of water and then brush it with a broom and then wash it down afterwards, and that way you will get better results. So that's what I would advise. And if you've got specific needs, they also do some other cleaning products for specific problems on a patio or driveway,
Stain
and you can go and remove it that way as well.
Would they be able to use this on a patio as well?
Yes, I would say this would work perfectly fine on a patio as well. And if somebody has got a question and think, Nick, you know what, I ought to cleaned my patio 2 years ago, we are happy to answer some questions.
Well, yeah, we're always here to help you.
Absolutely. So. Or otherwise, if we might not have cleaned it and you just want some advice, then you can certainly call Smart Seal. They're very nice people. They're very helpful. And get some advice from them.
I will link them below as well so that you can go and look at their products.
Go and look at their products, and the people there are very helpful, so you can speak to them about your specific needs. I would lean towards saying, you know what, try and use just pure water first.
Yeah.
You know, be kind to the environment.
Yeah, definitely.
And then after that, use something from Smart Seal to keep it clean. And we've got the driveway cleaner here, and they do various other cleaning products. Extreme Clean is another product they do, and that would address black spots and things like that as well.
So if I'll tag my other blog in this as well, because that's got the video for your stain removers and everything.
Yes,
Smart Seal do quite a range of different things.
And if you can also link the video we did about DIY cleaning, that would also.
Yeah, I'll link that as well for you, so you can see them down below. Well, there you go. That's what we recommend you use. If you have any other questions or anything else you'd like to know about patio or driveway cleaning, please do drop them in the comments and we'll see if we can address them as soon as possible.
Excellent.
Take care.
Bye. Bye.